I just had a little play around with the carve Pro Trial Edition because I've got the Aspire, and I didn't realise that you couldn't distort actual physical 3D objects, but you can distort text. And to do it, you draw your text like so, go to your creator vectors and create a box around your text. Go to your distort objects tool, and as you can see my bounding box is selected, so it says select vectors are valid. Click apply. Now if you click on your text within that box, you can now distort it. So you can do something with the Carve Pro with the distort tool, and I think this is a pretty cool one to be able to distort text. So there you go. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.